Hi, I'm Russ Dimmett, the Director of Education at the Chimney Safety Institute of America. I want to talk a little bit about chimney maintenance and chimney sweeping. The best time of year to get your chimney swept is in the summertime. Seems weird, doesn't it? But here's the facts. The average chimney technician is so busy in the fall of the year, he might not have time to get to you right away. Might be a 2, 3, 4, 6 week wait. So this is the ideal time of year to get your chimney serviced. Why do you want to get it done this time of year? There's two big factors that you might deal with. One are chimney odors. The chimney technician may or may not be able to do something about that, but that creosote, the more you get out, the less odor you're likely to have. The second thing is creosote is corrosive. So what's going to happen is it's going to start eroding the motor joints, the flue tiles, the brickwork in the chimney if it's not taken out in a timely fashion. And of course, there's always the biggest issue with chimneys and creosote, and that's chimney fires, which can create a potentially hazardous situation in your home, and you want to avoid that. So I just want to let you folks know, now's the time of year to call your chimney sweep. If you call him at Thanksgiving and say, hey, you know, it's Monday, Thanksgiving's Thursday, we want to have a fire in the fireplace, chances of him being able to work you in are not going to be high. So get your chimney swept this time of year. Go to CSIA.org and find a chimney sweep in your area.